Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Nowadays kitchen is not just the place to cook food, but we all want a well organized and beautiful kitchen just like any other room in our house. Regardless of how big the kitchen is or the number of cabinet it has, you are sure to face issues of storage time to time. But you can save space and a little sanity with this storage and organizational ideas which I am going to share with you today. Big things are easy to organize and find out when we need them, but small items which we don't use often but are very useful are hard to search when we did not keep them properly. Small items like rubber bands, command hooks, packet clips, safety pins, etc. are very useful items for every kitchen. Use a big basket or tray and store these tiny items in separate small boxes to keep them segregated and organized. And you can place them in any cabinet in kitchen or in any other room. Just like small items, we all face problem to find out storage place for these little tiny bottles of spices and sauces which we don't use daily, and it's really difficult to store them properly. Because we don't use them daily, keep them all in any rotating tray and then place them in the fridge. That way they will remain fresh and you will find a proper fixed place for such things to organize. Sometimes cooked food are also give visual clutter which we place over the gas stove most of the time. This organizer is a good option for placing your cooked food dishes over it. You can place this trivet on your kitchen counter or dining table and easily place all your dishes over this. It will give nice look and keep dishes organized at the same time. Also, you can use this organizer for hanging all your pans and other things with the help of S-hooks. You can hang 4 to 5 pans very easily over this, a very good option to organize things vertically, and this way you can save lot of your counter space. Next place which we found hard to organize is our dining table. No matter how much we try, but our dining table gives a cluttered look most of the time. Sometimes by placing lots of baskets and trays on dining table also makes it look cluttered. Try to use one big basket instead of using 3 to 4 small baskets for arranging all the necessary items which we need at the time of dining. Just like dining table, you can use such big baskets or organizer for your kitchen countertop to keep things organized at one place. By using this big organizer, you can easily accommodate more items and your counter will look clean and organized. You can also order many such useful and good kitchen and household organizers and products from Meralink online shopping website. Meralink by Bulbul Shop has variety of kitchen organizers and other household products. Do check the website by just clicking the link from the description box below. Meralink provides you free delivery and free cash on delivery along with very easy returns and replacement in 5 days. You can also place your order through WhatsApp link given in the video's description. Check the website and avail many exciting discounts and offer. From Meralink by Bulbul Shop, you will get variety of products at very reasonable price. Before placing order, do not forget to download the app for easy returns and refunds. All links and details are given in the video's description if you wish to buy anything. Storing all those extra grocery items in one big container is the best option if you don't have much space to keep them separately. Whenever you store these packets in a big container, we tend to forget what we kept inside in few days. It happens with everyone, which is absolutely natural. So to avoid this situation in future, you can label all your big containers, and so that you don't have to open them and check, you can find out from the label you put outside. If you want to maximize your cabinet storage, start using baskets to keep everything segregated. You can use different baskets for different items, just like I did. You can also use small racks inside your cabinet to add little more storage space in your kitchen cabinets. Do not ignore your kitchen gadgets, which are so useful at the same time. If you don't store them properly, they will create lot of mess on your kitchen countertop. So always give them home, a fixed place where they look tidy and organized and easy for you to grab them whenever needed. To keep them organized all together, I am using a big basket so that I can store all mixer grinder as well as their jars and lids in the same basket. This way it will look nice and organized in very less space. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and these ideas will help you to organize your kitchen and home. Consider subscribing my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos.